Good day, ma'am. Ito po yung aking website about the specifications of my personal computer and my laptop. Okay, first of all, meron po tayong homepage, which is nakalagay po ito yung subject natin and the activity number, which is yung CSPT and C1. Next, dito po included yung name and my personal computer. Ayan. Tapos may background po siya. Yan po. This is Wix po. Then, next is about. This first is the about my personal computer. Yan, this computer boasts the 450M water motherboard. Yan po. Ayan po yung mga specification ng aking personal computer in a paragraph format po. Ayan. Tapos ito po yung mga pictures na included parts sa ating personal computer, sa akin pong personal computer. Ito po yung Ryzen 5, then the graphics card, then the RAM, and then the power supply. Yan po. Dito po, nakalagay naman po yung specifications kung ano po yung kayang gawin ng aking personal computer. Next is my laptop, which is what I am using now, my personal laptop. Dito po, naka-paragraph form po ulit yung ating specifications about my laptop. Yan. This is the full specifications of my laptop. This is my laptop, the photo of my laptop. Ayan. So basically, ayan po yung laman ng aking website. Thank you, ma'am.